Today we are making vanilla cupcake recipe. Ingredients. For the cupcakes: 1½ cups 190 g all-purpose flour, 1 cup 200 g granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup 115 g unsalted butter softened, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract, 1 cup 240 milliliters whole milk. For the buttercream frosting: 1 cup 200 g unsalted butter softened, 2 cups 400 g powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. Cupcakes. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. Line a 12-cup muffin tin. Whisk flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Beat butter and eggs, add vanilla extract. Alternate adding dry ingredients and milk. Divide batter evenly. Bake 18 to 20 minutes or until toothpick comes out clean. Cool completely. Buttercream frosting. Beat butter until creamy. Gradually add powdered sugar. Add vanilla. Adjust consistency with milk. Assembly. Frost cooled cupcakes. Decorate as desired. Tips. Use room temperature ingredients. Do not overmix. Adjust baking time for mini muffin-sized cupcakes. Variations. Add flavorings: lemon zest, espresso powder. Use different milks: almond, soy. Top with fresh fruit or sprinkles. The number of calories in a vanilla cupcake can vary depending on the ingredients. Size and frosting used, however, here is an approximate calculation. Basic vanilla style cupcake: vanilla. Calories per cupcake: standard size approximately 2.5 inches diameter. Without frosting 150 to 200 calories. With frosting 250 to 350 calories. Cupcake with rich frosting and toppings. Calories per cupcake: standard size. Without frosting 200 to 250 calories. With frosting and toppings 400 to 550 calories. Factors affecting calorie count. Frosting type: buttercream, cream cheese, or whipped cream. Frosting amount. Toppings: sprinkles, chopped nuts, or chocolate shavings. Cake density and moisture level. Size of the cupcake.